My name is Dean Valencic, and I'm a Managing Director for Integrated Electronic Solutions from Yonkers, New York. Welcome to our Notre Dame Theme Theater. So our initial discussion or interview with the client was, his original idea was to have a multi-display sports room where we can bring his friends and family on weekends to hang out. And we took it to a different level and created the room that kind of gave him experience sitting at the stadium in the middle of a field with the effect of crowd being around him. This is actually one high-resolution photo that was taken from at one of the Notre Dame games, and we were actually able to put it on the digital art acoustical panels that were able to create an effect and also hide the speakers and the projector. There's a surround speakers. They're built in wall, as well as projector on the back, and also allowing acoustics or sound to come through. To make it more authentic, the whole theater, we were actually have an idea to install the brick that's originally used only in Notre Dame Stadium. We created a hollow space that we can fit the speakers within the brick on the front, and that's covered with the famous coaches and the Notre Dame players. Even though we have 5 screens and we achieve what client actually expected from us to watch multiple games at the same time, we were actually able to hide the screen up in a vanity above the TVs. So when client has a desire to watch the movie, he can just by pressing a button, he can drop the screen down, turn off all the displays, and watch a movie. He can watch any source that's available on his TVs. He can watch it on a projector. All those remotes kind of fit in this one of these touch panels that make it all happen. He makes it all happen at the ease of a touch of a button. You know, it's very easy to use. So we have 8 sources in this theater, which is 5 of them are cable boxes, so we can watch each cable box on different TV at any particular time. This is where Crestron comes in handy and integrates all this technology together, so you can, your Crestron touch panel, you can distribute any source to any TV at any particular time. This is all done by Crestron's digital media, which in the back closet we have an 8x8 switcher, a video switcher that routes any video signal to any TV or wants a source to all the TVs at the same time. He really wanted something easy to use, and that's what Crestron came in play, and we actually used Crestron for the last 12 years, and it's been a very good product for us. Control product as well as audio, video, climate, and lighting. Ceiling is actually what's called a fiber optic star ceiling. It's more visual and more adding a depth to the room and creates this real star ceiling effect to the room. We have 6 zones of lights in this room. Recess lights, counter lights, bookshelf lights. It's all tied in on the back with the Crestron iLux control. We have a movie scene. It kind of turns all the lights to a certain level. All the lighting zones are dimmable, so we can, by pressing a button, we can dim the recess lights to desired level. With all the other components that we use in this project, Crestron was the component that it's a company that actually put everything together, tie in all the components together. Now we can control it with a touch panel, we can do the lighting. It's a 1-button press, and the whole screens go off just by pressing it. As far as lighting, another button that turns everything off.